Well, listen, if you at home, if you've ever dreamed of being on Broadway or being in a cabaret, you now have your chance because our next guest is leading a cabaret workshop on February 21st and 22nd at the 92nd Street Y.
Yeah, he joins the likes of Broadway greats, Faith Prince, Lillias White, and Melissa Errico, who have been teaching Broadway-bound singers at the 92nd Street Y for the last year.
Oh my gosh, please welcome the man who composed the musical Be More Chill, Tony Award nominee Joe Iconis. Welcome, Joe. It's great to see you.
Hey, great to see you.
Oh my gosh. This is live television, but you know what? Can I move your chair so that we're facing each other?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
It's not you, it's me.
Yeah.
I felt like we were giving each other each other's back, and I was
very
like,
strange,
I want to see that gorgeous face.
Oh, thank you. Oh my God, there you are. Hey, good morning.
Good morning. So you compose and you sing.
I do.
Which came first? Did they happen simultaneously?
You know, the composing definitely came first. I was a musical theater writer when I was a little kid. I was this little kid obsessed with musicals. I grew up on Long Island. I have this big Italian family, and no one else in my family is in the theater or in the arts or anything. And so I was this kind of like weird kid who loved musicals. You know, no one understood why I did. And I sort of expressed myself through piano, through writing. And so it wasn't until much later that I sort of came to performing.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Did your families make you perform at Thanksgiving? Because there's always the one kid who's like the singer, especially if you grew up in an Italian family.
Oh my gosh, yeah. No, I was definitely like the party trick. You know, it's like if there was a piano, it's like go play, and I would like do my little thing. You know, yeah. It came in useful. Especially came in useful in high school where it was like, you know, you're at a party. You know, I wasn't like the most socially with it kid, but if there was a piano, I could like sit and play, and then that would be a nice, you know, a nice like bridge to normal high school stuff, I guess.
That's how he had his game, right?
That's right.
Watch
that's
this.
right.
Oh, there's a piano. I got this.
I wouldn't call it game, but but I was playing show tunes on the piano.
Was cabaret always your first love?
You know, I always really dug cabaret because I love the proximity between the performer and the audience. You know, in a cabaret room, they're small, right? And so it's like it reminds me of like punk rock or something because you can't hide behind anything. You know, it's like when you're in a cabaret room, if the performer isn't really giving it, if the performer is like phoning it in, you can tell. And so I love that like that intimate vibe in a cabaret.
And you must always be practicing and honing your craft, which is your voice and your musicality. And I cannot believe that you're going to be, there's a workshop at the 92nd Street Y.
Yeah.
Can anyone do this?
Anyone can do it.
All right, tell us more.
Okay, so I'm offering this workshop. People are going to be working on my material, right? So I wrote Be More Chill. I've written a whole bunch of other shows. I got a lot of songs. And they'll come and they'll sing the songs, and I will give them feedback. I'll offer notes. You know, a lot of my songs are very, like, actor-driven, right? And so it's not so much about, like, how loud and high you can sing, and more about, like, how am I interpreting this character? And so because of that, people who maybe don't have the most like traditionally great voice can do it. I think all you got to do is be open and excited about like inhabiting a character and a song, you know. And so today I believe is the last day for people to apply. So I guess if you're watching this and you are feeling like you simply must go to a cabaret workshop right now, like leave the television and go.
Well, don't leave the television, but
don't leave the television on.
Yes.
But go like this to a laptop and apply. But anyone can go audit. So anyone can go watch the thing, which really is like an amazing behind-the-scenes look at how musical theater and cabaret is created.
Okay.
Yeah. And you're working on a new show, the untitled, unauthorized Hunter S. Thompson musical.
I am. Yes. Yeah. It's going to be in Washington, D.C. at the Signature Theater this summer. A musical about Hunter S. Thompson, who wrote Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas. It's like a wild rock show. Yeah, I'm really excited about it. I think it's going to be good.